Welcome. Today in front of me OUKITEL K13 Pro, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on that device. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that tap on the sound section. Here we can see media, call, ringtone and alarm volume panels. Just to change them, we should swipe this green dot to the left or to the right side with our finger by this way. Also, we can see here vibration for call switcher. We can turn it on or turn it off. We can activate the don't disturb mode. We can set the shadow for the don't disturb, the start and the end time. Also, we can activate the shortcut to prevent ringing here. So by press power and volume up button together, we can use vibration mode or just to do nothing. Also, we can here change device ringtone, notification sound, and alarm sounds. And in advanced settings, we can see here the dial button, screen lock and lock sounds, charging sounds, touch vibration feature. And just to activate or to turn off all of these options, we should click here once again on all of these switchers here. And in sound attachment, we can also use the volume booster for speaker. Just to do that, we should click on the switcher, and to turn off, let's click on the switcher again. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.